Hi, welcome back to Just the Facts. Do it yourself channel. Please take a second to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. YouTube needs this so others can see content like this. Tell me this helped. Tell me if you want me to look into something else for you. Today, we have a 2010 series Ford Escape. I am confirming another YouTube post for making the vehicle a push-button start due to the ignition having a worn-out turn mechanism that turns the switch to start the car. I will leave a mention in the comments about the original video. I am keeping with my theme of spending little to nothing to fix, using stuff I already have where I can. Here is a momentary push button from an old mixing board. I chose this due to the cover for the rare case you might press it in error. You can buy similar push buttons off Amazon. This one in particular has a normally open connection and a nominally closed connection. Here I am using the tester to verify the normally open connectors. There is also a light which has soldered connectors on sides that I'm not going to use for this project. You remove the plastic steering enclosure via 3 6mm bolt screws and by squeezing and pulling up on the top to remove all 3 parts. This snaps back together fairly simple and straightforward. Pick the correct drill size for the hole. I went smaller, then enlarged with a knife, so I didn't make it too big. You can put drill bit next to your switch back where it attaches and guesstimate the correct size. The connector you need to remove is on the side closest the driver door. Push tab to remove. Connect crimps to the end, blue and white orange wires to connect your switch. And you are done. This works when in the on position. So you still have the key fob security in place, as the car will not start without the key. I'm not 100% about how it will function with auto start, but will add to a future video when I install that. Thanks for watching. Again, like, subscribe, leave a hello. This is a custom sticker I've made for Extreme Vinyl. Please check them out as well. There is a great selection and a custom sticker or iron-on just for you. Link in comments. Thank you, have a great day. You're still here. I guess you found the extra video of soldering the switch. Soldering the switch. Yes, tin, cut, apply, makes Axe a happy guy. Still here. Yep, still here. You can turn this off or you can play it to the end. YouTube tends to think the video is good if you play it all the way to the end, almost 4 minutes. Still here, still soldering. Have a great day or night. Check out my other videos. See if you can find my music videos. They are very interesting, possibly a genre of their own. Thanks for your time. Hope I helped. Thank you, have a great day. You're still here. I guess you found the extra video of soldering the switch. Soldering the switch. Yes, tin, cut, apply, makes Axe a happy guy. Still here. Yep, still here. You can turn this off or you can play it to the end. YouTube tends to think the video is good if you play it all the way to the end, almost 4 minutes. Still here, still soldering. Have a great day or night.